Welcome back to Taya's YouTube channel. I apologize for the brevity of the last video. It was pretty short, but when you videotape in time-lapse, it condenses hours of work into minutes, and it goes very quickly. I did work several hours, but I had no stamina to continue, so I had to end that video. Hopefully this video will be a little bit longer. We're now going to be working on the starry night sky. Before we set up our village and our diorama, we want to get that whole wall with the night sky, and the mountain ranges are usually a very interesting step that we take when we start sculpting and painting, but that won't be today. We're going to concentrate on getting that night sky installed on the wall today. You will notice that I move quite a bit slower than I did in previous years, and I don't have the stamina that I used to have. I've had a very, very rough year physically. I see an osteopath every week to manage the pain that I have that's associated with an accident that I had 8 years ago. I did heal at the time. However, I re-injured my back and my hip, and we are working now to alleviate any discomfort that I have. And it's come quite a long way. However, that does affect the building of the village. So please be patient with me. I am an old lady, 73 this year, so stick with me, and let's hope we have some fun today. sculpting of the mountains begins. I'm going to add some other layers of mountains in between. And I'm still going to try and mount them on the walls rather than have them sitting on the tables. Only because that will give me more room on the tables to build levels, various levels for the village. I think it looks wonderful. And of course, the corners, like that corner over there and this corner over here, they still have to be done. I need to get more Bristol board for the backdrop and carve out some more styrofoam. But I like the way it's shaping up. It's starting to look good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps my algorithm. Thanks again. Peace and blessings. Bye now.